Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Easy and Best Cooking. In today's video we'll see a very simple recipe. This is a vegan recipe called the elephant foot curry. This is Suran curry or Jimikand curry. So it turns out really very tasty. You can have this with steam rice or your chapatis. So I'll show you exactly step by step how you can make this on your own. So please stay tuned. So in order to prepare this gravy, first thing we will take is here I have 500 grams of suran, elephant foot. So I've peeled off the skin very nicely here and I've washed it. Be sure that you wash this very nicely. Also, some people may get irritation in the skin when you take the skin off. This might cause itching in your skin. So in order to avoid that, what you can do is you can just add a little half teaspoon oil in your hand and just rub it nicely, and then you peel off the skin, so it will not cause you any itching. So this is 500 grams of elephant foot. I'll just put this in this pressure cooker. So I've put this in the pressure cooker. Now next I have around 7 cloves of garlic. These are medium sized. I'll just put this in. Now I'll put in a teaspoon of salt. You can add this as per your taste. Now I have 3 medium sized tomatoes which I have just roughly sliced them. I will add them in the pressure cooker. So I've put the tomatoes. Now I'll put in a glass of water. This is approximately 350 milliliters of water. So now I'll just put this lid on, and now I will just pressure cook this for up to 4 whistles. So I've cooked this on medium heat for 4 whistles. So I'll just check that there is no steam left inside the pressure cooker, and now we can open this. So as you can see, everything is cooked well here. So what I'll do is I have this, I will need to smash it now, smash it nicely. So I have smashed this nicely. So the suran here and the tomatoes and the garlic, they have all mixed up well. So now we'll go to our next step, which is we'll just give this a tadka along with the spices. So in order to give this tadka, what I've done is I've just taken a small vessel and I've put in 1 tablespoon of mustard oil here. So I've used mustard oil. You can use any oil which you prefer. So the oil is nice and hot. I will add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds here. This is jeera. Next I'll put in a pinch of hing. This is very good for your digestive system. Now I have 2 green chilies, 2 small green chilies. I'll just add them. So if you prefer this more spicy, you can add a few more green chilies. Now I've taken an entire sprig of curry leaves here. This is the kadhi patta. We'll just add this. Now I've just finely sliced 1 medium onion. I'll add this in the gravy. So I've put in the onion here. Now we'll just mix this. We'll need to cook it till the onions get translucent. You can keep the heat on high here while you cook the onions. So here the onions have cooked very well. They have changed their color. So what I'll do is just add in a little water now, and we can start to add our spices at this time. So first I'll put in around a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Next I'll put in 1 full teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. This will give a very nice color to this dish. Also this is not spicy. Kashmiri red chilies are not very spicy, so it will give a nice taste. Now I'll put in just 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now I'll put in 1 full teaspoon of coriander seed powder. This is dhania powder. And last I'll put in around 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Now just mix this nicely. So just mix it well and let it cook for 2-3 minutes. The masalas need to cook well here. So it's been around 3 minutes. This masalas have cooked in nicely. Now what I'll do is add in our suran mixture which we had prepared earlier. So we'll just pour this from the pressure cooker. And now just mix this very well. Now just mix this nicely. So let this gravy mix well with all the spices. So it's already giving a very nice aroma. If you see, this looks like the dal which we cook. So it looks like the yellow lentils. But trust me, this is also very nice. It goes very well with steamed rice, gives a very nice taste. So now we'll just the heat is on medium. We'll just let this cook for around 2 to 3 minutes, so that we'll just let it come to a boil. So while this is cooking, you can check for the salt here. We have already added a teaspoon of salt while we were putting this in the pressure cooker. So the salt is fine, but you can adjust that as per your taste. Also, when you're cooking suran, this gives slight throat irritation to some few people. So in order to avoid that, what you can do is just take one medium sized onion, medium sized lemon, and just squeeze this lime juice into it. So this will not give you any irritation in the throat. So just squeeze this juice of the entire lemon here. Also, this lemon juice will give a very nice flavor to this dish. So I've squeezed the juice of one medium sized lemon here. Now just mix this well after adding the lime juice. And now what I'll do is, I have this 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. I'll just crush this and I'll put it in our gravy. So if you don't like the taste of kasuri methi, you can also put in fresh coriander leaves here, and that will also give you a nice taste. But I prefer the taste of kasuri methi, that's why I've added that here. Now just mix this well, and we'll just put the heat on simmer and let this cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. And after that we can switch off the gas. So this is boiling well. You can see this gravy is ready now. So what I'll do is, everything is done from my end. Now I'll just switch off the gas and I'll put this on the plate. So I've put this on the plate. I'm going to have this with steam rice. You can even have it with a roti or a chapati. It will go very well, and please try it out. It turns up really very tasty. If you are bored of your eating everyday dal rice, this is a very good substitute and it's very healthy as well. So let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And also please, if you like the video, if you like the content, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video.